Mae'r gwasanaeth ail-alliogi yn gwasanaeth rili unigryw. Beth i ni gyd yn neud yn gilydd yw gweithio gyda'r person mwyn ail-alliogi nhw i gallu neud rhywbeth maen nhw nawr ffili neud achos maen nhw wedi bod yn ysbyty neu maen nhw wedi bod yn dost, neu maen nhw wedi cael rhywun i neud y tasg i nhw am gymaint o flynyddoedd. Wedyn maen nhw wedi colli'r sgil o neud e.
Intermediate care is when the staff that working out in the community goes into an individual's home environment and helps them be more independent with like meal preparation and personal care. Reablement services is more to do with the mobility side. If they're struggling, if their legs are weak, they need a referral for a physio to go out, to have a look if a programme can be put in place, like stay practice, exercise, outdoor mobility. That's what
the service is all about. It's about engaging them to live an independent life. So we have to work to a specific set of goals that matter to them, because if it's not meaningful, they're not going to engage well.
The independent side of it, we encourage that, even just down to having a chat with them and a cup of tea with them, giving them just the support they need.
I still like it after the 20 years or 25 years I've been here now. So I think I like the people I meet. I like the support and the success, how well we do with them or how well they do really. Because they always say you've done really fabulous, but they've done the job, isn't it really? And they've gone themselves back up and independent. So that's what I like about it. It's a variety of stuff.
And I think we can educate that person to be like, if you do these small things, those big things will come naturally, and you can work along, you can do those long term yourself. You don't need someone to hold your hand.
It makes such a big difference to people's lives, and you're enabling them to live an independent life.
Working in reablement is really heartwarming.
Yn rhoi lot o cyflawniad I mi oherwydd chi'n gweld pobl yn ddod yn annibynnol.
It's the most rewarding and privileged job I've ever had.
It's enjoyable and you feel you've achieved something at the end of the day.
It's the best career decision I've ever made.